Okay, Yahoo email, all right, .com. Okay, so these are dirty email. Okay, and why are they dirty email? They have white spaces among them. They are not following the same capitalization. Okay, so it's just dirty. Okay, now what we need to do is we are going to clear the white spaces, remove the white spaces, and also make everything small letter. Okay, before we can update. So you can't push such a data like this to database just like that. Okay, you are creating trouble for yourself and your data analyst, and even everyone working on the same project, because all of these are not the same. Okay, so it's going to create issues, and for you to resolve that, you need to clean it. So how do we clean it? Using this comprehension. So let's do it. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to clean the email. So let's do it. So what we do is we now say clean. Okay, clean mail. I just call it clean mail, and then a square bracket. So we're now going to use this comprehension. We will now say email, a variable, email dot lower, call the lower method, and then we also call the dot strip method. So the dot strip method will remove the white spaces, while the dot lower method will make everything in lower letters. Okay, in small letters. All right, so we say dot strip. Okay, the dot strip method, and then we'll now loop through them. So we'll now say forward for every email in dirty email. Okay, so what we are saying is make all the emails, remove the white spaces, make them capital small letters in all of the for email in all of the dirty emails.